Hi guys. Welcome back to FA Trades. In this video, I am going to talk about CoinAnk order flow footprint charts. First, let's talk about basic overview. Here you can select coins, change time frames. Main section will be indicators. Here we have three types of indicators. We have classic trading view indicators. We have CoinAnk indicators, which we explained in previous video. If you have not watched, make sure to watch that one. Final indicators are featured order flow indicators. Every indicator have basic, description and overview, which you can read here. I won't explain all these indicators, but I will also add basic overview of all indicators in the description, which you can read to get the general idea of all. These include indicators about footprint order flow, market and volume profiles, liquidity and liquidation levels, order book and large limit orders. Next, here you can see all different modes of footprint charts, bid-ask delta and volume clusters. You can save and share your templates here. I will provide my footprint template ID and description that you can import here. Next, you can change panes layouts. Next, this is slider for liquidity heat map. In the learn section you will find details about all stuff. So this is the basic overview. Let's move on to main section. So this is the main order flow chart. Let's discuss each of indicators here. We have daily VWAP, large liquidations, order book profile, and footprint. First is order book profile. It shows limit orders above and below current price. Above current price are ask/supply, which act as resistance, while below are bid/demand, which act as support. Larger the order, stronger the level. Next is daily VWAP. It measures average price by volume. It acts as dynamic support and resistance. Then we have large liquidations. It shows price level where large amount of stop losses get triggered. It usually acts as reversal points. It shows both price level and amount of liquidations happened. Sometimes we get immediate reversal, while other times we get a cascade of liquidations before reversal. Also, larger the liquidations, more likely we will get some kind of reversal. Next, we are going to discuss footprint indicator. Footprint basically shows all trades happening at different price levels within candle in real time. For this you need to zoom in to see details in the candles. Currently I am using delta profile, so it's showing delta in candles. Delta is market buys minus market sells. Green is more market buying, while red shows more selling. You can change tick size to see more or less data. Increasing tick size will give you zoom out view, while lowering tick size will give a more gradient data. You can also change cluster type from here. Bid-ask shows both sells on left and buys on right. Delta shows net buys minus sells, while volume shows both buys plus sells. These green and orange lines indicate stacked imbalances. These happen due to strong buyers or sellers and act as support and resistance. I will make a more detailed video on footprint charts soon, in which I will explain all their components, how to properly set up and utilize in your trading. You can check out footprint settings here to customize Your cluster charts. Moving on further, you can check out other featured indicators. Every indicator has a basic description you can read to get to know it. We can look at bar statistics. It displays order flow data for each candle, including its total volume, buy and sell volume, delta and POC, etc. POC is price where maximum volume is traded. All these amounts are shown in native coins. So for BTC chart, these are in Bitcoins. Next, we can look at large limit orders. It shows at price levels where large orders are placed, their amounts and status filled or not. Above current price is sell/supply, while below price are buy/demand. Going on next, we can look at liquidity heat map. Heat map is visual representation of historical passive liquidity in the order book and is updated in real time. It shows both current and past limit order distribution on price chart. Both heat map and order book profile are similar, but profile just shows current limit orders, not historical. Higher the order size, brighter the color, which you can adjust in the slider. These show dynamics of both supply and demand, act as support and resistance zones. So that's the overview for main order flow section. Next, we will discuss volume profile and market profile sections. Let's start with volume profile section. It has liquidation map and daily volume and delta profile. Volume and delta profiles show distribution of both volume and delta for each day. In these profile, you want to look at value area and high and low volume nodes. Liquidation map shows areas where most traders will get liquidated. These are not exact but rather estimated levels. There are also other liquidation indicators you can use, like liquidation profiles and levels. Price is usually attracted to large liquidation nodes, where a lot of traders get liquidated. We will discuss volume and market profile in detail in another video, but basic idea is price level with more volume is more likely to act as support and resistance zones. So that's probably all for volume profile section. Let's move on to the final market profile section. Here we have market profile / TPO and historical liquidations profile. Let's discuss liquidations profile. It shows past liquidations happened on price chart. Larger the liquidations, more likely the reversal. Second, we have market profile, which shows the distribution of time spent on price levels for each day. It has a lot of its own details, various structures, anomalies, which will be part of another video. There are plenty of other good indicators that you can learn, then test and use in your trading. So that's all for this video. All links, templates will be in the video description. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next one. Peace out.